guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be a first impression on this product from NYX, and this is called Powder Puff Lippie. This is what it looks like. Sorry about my hands because I just did a tutorial on this eye look. Anyway, this is what the packaging looks like. This is just a cardboard box, and I think it cost $9.99. So I got in the shade Squad Goals, and let's open this up. I think this was the fourth color from the nude one, I think. Yeah, so let's try it. It's still unsealed right now. Okay, so for my lips, I have a little bit of foundation and a little bit of gloss. Not gloss, but lip balm. It's a powder, maybe powder finish after you applied it. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be work for my dry lips, and I have flaky lips too. It's really not a good condition to review a product when your skin is not in a very best condition. But hey, let's be real, not all of the days that we are gonna be, you know, baby like skin lips, right? It's not all the time. I have very dry lips, so pasensya ay na. Okay, so mauna niya. So this is what the lipstick looks like. It's just in a tube plastic thing, and let's open it up. Oh, it has like a sponge tip over here. What I'm looking for a lipstick is if it's matte but it's not drying, and also I like a moisturizing lipstick since I have very dry lips, but I just want to test it out, you know. And I'm trying to squeeze it already, and there's no product coming out. Am I doing it right, or I have to squeeze in here? I'm not really sure how to do this thing. No directions. I know there are many people reviewing this product, but I did not see any one at all. How can this thing work? Oh, okay, now it has a thing on there on the tip. You just have to like press it on the lips. Let's see what it looks like. Here we go. Okay, so it did not record, so let's get to the top of this. So just stamp. Oh, it's matte. And then that's nice, very light. I have dry flakes in here. It doesn't really cling to it, but it doesn't make it terrible. So I think that's a good thing. And the sponge is okay. I don't have problems with like putting it on. I think for me, because it is a sponge and the edge of it, it's a little bit like fading. I like the edge of my lips to be like visible or prominent, and I think okay, let me just apply because it's hard when you talk and apply. Okay, now so for my thoughts, it does really cling to all the flakes that I have, but it's not bad. A little bit drying, a little bit of moisturizing, so it's in between. It's not uncomfortable, but I feel like my like flaky areas, it emphasizes a little bit in that section. I do like the shades on this one. For longevity or long wear, I'm not so sure how long this would last on my lips, but for now, for my first impression, I like it. For coverage with this color, I can still see like my natural like lips over here underneath, because my natural lip is a little bit more dark, and I can see in that for that one coat, I think I need more. And let's see what it looks like. So you just have to squeeze in and then stamp and then glide. Okay, now I can see the pigmentation, and it's easy to apply. And the smell, I smell plasticky but mild. Okay, but it's not bad, like it's not overpowering. A little bit of fruity too. Vanilla scent a little bit. It's a mixture. Smell is okay. It doesn't bother me at all. The time right now is 2:19. So I will check back later. I'm gonna eat my lunch and I would see how this lipstick would wear. I don't think this is a kiss proof or transfer proof, but I just want to figure it out, or I just want to see what it looks like after I eat. I think for the price and the coverage that it gets to my lips, I think I like it. So far I think it's okay. Now I'll be back. I'm just gonna be vlogging that time. Natural lighting. This is what it looks like. Hi guys, I'm back now for an update. This is what my lips looks like after I eat my lunch. The inner part is already gone, but the other side is really good. What I was eating, it's oily pasta, a glass of juice. I did not see any prints on the glass, or it did not transfer on the glass, but when I kissed my lips on my hand, it did transfer. So it's not transfer proof, kiss proof of course not. For comfort though, I do like this lipstick, though it's not long wearing, but it's very comfortable, and the color shade that I'm wearing today is really nice on my lips. So yeah, there's no way that I could not wear this lipstick. I do like it, even though there's some flaws about this lipstick, but it's very comfortable and I surely would want to wear it again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next one.